today we're going to talk about two of my favorite things to do, and that's playing video games and making money. So why not make money while playing video games? So let's talk about 5 different ways you guys can make money while playing video games. Let's not beat around the bush and get straight into it. So let's start with the most obvious one, and you guys already know about this if you subscribe and you've been watching my videos, because I've already made 3 videos on this, and it's going to be playtestcloud.com. If you haven't watched my videos about Playtest Cloud and you don't know what it is, Playtest Cloud is basically a playtesting platform where you can playtest mobile games, PC games, and even console games sometimes, and you can make money while playtesting these games. All you have to do is play the games, talk while you're reviewing the games, and they get paid. It's just that simple. Now, be forewarned, unlike some of these TikTokers or YouTubers are probably gonna tell you that you can make $36 an hour playing this game, which is a lie. I already made videos debunking that myth. So if you guys want to know more about this, make sure to check out my other 3 videos regarding this. But if you guys need to make some extra side money, just go to playtestcloud.com, sign up, and then you just pretty much wait for them to send you emails with playtests. It's just that easy. That was just a quick and easy one I wanted to get out of the way because people are still asking me about that. But let's move on to my next pitch, which is going to be playing crypto games and NFT games. Here's another subject I've already done a video about. You guys can check out these videos right here if you guys want to know more. But essentially, there are video games now where you can play and earn free crypto and NFTs that you can either use to buy things with, or you can actually sell your NFTs to make money. So if you guys have a crypto wallet, congratulations, you're already halfway there. All you got to do is find the crypto game or NFT game that you want to play and just start earning them. Now be forewarned, some of these crypto and NFT games will have you put up a little bit of money so you guys can get out the maximum effort, but there's a lot of games where you can earn free crypto and NFTs and don't have to spend anything. Let's take Blanco's Block Party for example. I did a video on this game already. So if you don't know what Blanco's Block Party is, I'm pretty sure you've seen this commercial playing before almost every business, crypto, or NFT video on YouTube now. But if you don't know what it is, Blanco's Block Party is an online party game where you can grind a battle pass to earn free NFTs, which you can then in turn sell on their in-game market for cash. And just like Playtest Cloud, I'm not going to lie to you and tell you you can make $100 a day with this like some other YouTubers, but if you need some extra cash, it's here. So it's pretty easy to grind progression with this game. I even let my 3-year-old son play the game and grind some of the battle pass for me. But like I said before, there are dozens of these games out there where you can earn free crypto and NFTs, and you can just use that as a source of income and play video games at the same time. So if the game is fun and you're getting free crypto and NFTs from them, then it sounds like a win-win to me. Also, speaking of crypto and NFT games, I'm reviewing a lot of them right now because I want to give you guys the ins and out of all these NFT and crypto games to let you know if they're legit or not. So if you guys want to watch those videos, make sure to subscribe and like this video. It'll help the channel out and I can get some more visibility so I can bring you some more videos like this. And with that being said, let's move on to my number 3 pick, and it's going to be YouTube gaming or Twitch gaming. Moving on to my number 4 pick, you could be an in-game farmer. So when I say in-game farmer, what exactly am I talking about? So if you don't know what an in-game farmer is, it's basically someone who gets paid to play a game for another player and basically grind resources or currency for that game. Yes, you heard that right. There are people willing to pay you to farm in-game items and gold for a lot of these popular MMO games like World of Warcraft. Now this is a big market in China and Mexico for these games, but if you check a lot of gaming forums or sites, you'll find that there are people willing to pay you just to play games for them, and price ranges can go from $20 an hour to $100 an hour depending on what the game is. I tried this out and got paid $50 just to collect resources for someone and rust for 3 hours, which is like $16 an hour, but all I had to do was sit at my computer and collect wood and metal, so I say I got a free $50. Also, to add to that, there are people who will pay you to grind battle passes for them. So go to Reddit, go to any type of gaming forum and just look down in the comments or look for posts, and I guarantee you can find at least a couple of posts of people trying to pay people to play a game for them. So if you got a couple of hours to spare and you don't mind playing a video game for someone else, then hey, make you some money on the side with this. And my 5th and last pick on how you can make money playing video games is to become a video game journalist. Now this pick is mainly going to depend on how good your writing skills and grammar are, and there are 2 ways you can go about this. You can either get hired on as an employee for one of these big gaming blogs like GameSpot or IGN, or you could be a freelance gaming journalist and you can sell your articles to those gaming blogs like IGN, Kotaku, GameSpot, and such. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you guys that this was the easiest one on this list, because it's not. It's probably the hardest one because there's a lot of people in this market right now. But if you have good writing, your articles aren't boring, and you're good at critiquing video games, you can make a lot of money with this, with the median income being from $26,000 to $100,000 with this one. But that's my 5 methods of how you can make money while playing video games. If you have any other methods, make sure to leave them in the comments below and let's talk about it. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and come back here next week for more videos. See you in the next video. Peace.